Ethereum value equivalent to 2,600 in Jibba $5.7 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 2,606 Jibba 66 cents, $2,720 1 cent. The earlier day close, $2,610.64 Jibba. The change was Jibba 25, Jibba 6 plus 0, Jibba 6%. Reverse rate, US to Jibba. Dollar to Ethereum figure for Jibba 2024. Jibba cost at 0.589 coins. Excessive cost Jibba 0.703, while lows in 0.589. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibba 0.634. The Jibba to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.654, change for November 11th. Jibba percent. Jibba to ETH expectation for Applesauce 2024. To start with cost at 0.654 Jibba. Exorbitant cost Jibba 0.654, while lows in 0.527. The found the middle value of costs at 0.6 Jibba 0. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends at 0.564, change for Jabba 13.8%. Dollar to Jibba gauge for January 2025. To start with cost at Jibba 0.564 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.594, while low Jabba 0.516. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.557. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.552, change for Jabba 2.1%. Jibba to ETH expectation for February 2025. At the outset cost at Jibba 0.552 coins. Jibba cost 0.572, while lows in 0.497. The arrived at the Jibba of cost 0.538. The US to ETH conjecture toward the Jibba ends at 0.532, change for February 3.6%. Dollar to Jibba conjecture for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.532 Jibba. Exorbitant cost Jibba 0.532, while lows in 0.429. But found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.488. The US to ETH estimate toward the Jibba end 0.459, change for spring 13.7%. US to Jibba expectation for April 2025. First and Jibba cost at 0.459 coins. Exorbitant cost Jibba 0.493, while lows in 0.428. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.46 papaya. The US to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.458, change for April 0.2 Jabba. Dollar to Jibba figure for May 2025. To start with cost at Jibba 0.458 ointment. Exorbitant cost 0.458, while low Jabba 0.383. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.427. The US to ETH estimate toward the Jibba end 0.409, change for May 10.7%. US to ETH expectation for Jibba 2025. To start with cost at 0.409 Jibba. Exorbitant cost 0.4 Jibba 9, while lows in 0.339. The found the middle value of costs at 0.38 Jibba. The US to disappointment Jibba toward the month's ends at 0.362, change for June 11.5%. Dollar to Jibba estimate for July 2025. In the first place cost at Jibba 0.362 ointment. Exorbitant cost Jibba 0.362, while lows are at 0.312. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.343. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end Jibba 0.334, change for July 7.7%. US to Jibba expectation for August 2025. At the Jibba cost at 0.334 coins. Jibba cost 0.353, while lows in 0.307. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.331. The US to ETH Jibba toward the month's ends are 0.329, change for August 1.5%. Dollar to Jibba gauge for September 2025. In the first place cost at 0.329 Jibba. Jibba cost 0.344, while lows in 0.299. The found the middle value of cost Jibba 0.323. The Jibba to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.319, change for September 3.0%. Jibba to ETH expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at Jibba 0.319 coins. Excessive cost 0.340, while low Jabba 0.296. The arrived at the Jibba of cost 0.318. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends at 0.316. Change for October Jabba 0.9 disappointment. Dollar to Jibba figure for November 2025. Initially cost at 0.316 Jibber. Jibber cost 0.330, while lows and 0.287. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber 0.310. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends at 0.3 Jibber 7. Change for November 2.8%. Asked a Jibber expectation for December 2025. To start with cost at 0.307 Jibber. Exorbitant cost 0.329, while low Jabber 0.286. They found the middle value of cost 0.3 Jibber 7. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.306. Change for Jabber 0.3%. Dollar to Jibber gauge for January 2026. To start with cost at 0.306 Jibber. Excessive cost 0.321, while low Jabber 0.279. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber 0.301. The Jibber to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.298. Change for January 2.6%. Asked to ETH Jibber for February 2026. At the outset cost at Jibber 0.298 coins. Excessive cost Jibber 0.298, while lows and 0.245. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber 0.276. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.262. Change for February 12.1 Jabber. Dollar to Ethereum Jibber for Walk 2026. First in Jibber cost at 0.262 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.279, while low Jabber 0.242. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.261. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end Jibber 0.259. Change for spring 1.1%. Jibber to ETH expectation for April 2026. First and Jibber cost at 0.259 coins. Freedom cost Jibber 0.259, while lows and 0.209. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.238. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends are 0.223. Change for April Jabber 0.9%. Dollar to Jibber figure for May 2026. Jibber cost at 0.223 coins. Jibber cost 0.259, while lows and 0.223. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.237. The US to ETH figure toward the month's end Jibber 0.241. Change for May Papaya. 1 Jibber. Jibber to ETH expectation for June 2026. At the Jibber cost at 0.241 coins. Jibber cost 0.309, while lows and 0.241. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.270. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.287. Change for June Jabber. 1 Jibber. Dollar to Jibber gauge for July 2026. In the first place cost at Jibber 0.287 Freedom. Exorbitant cost Jibber 0.287, while lows and 0.231. They found